Hello and welcome to another Solana tutorial. I am currently here at the Barcelona Hacker House. I moved myself into the very corner of the room because there's less music here. I don't know why I'm wearing this. This is completely pointless. I wear this such that my hair doesn't look weird. Now my ears look weird. Doesn't matter. So we want to hack something since we're here at the Barcelona Hacker House, such that we have something to demo at the demo day. And yesterday, the Solana Foundation announced what SMS is, the Solana Mobile Stack. And today I want to just see what it is, play around with it a little, and maybe get my fee redeemer to work on mobile. That would be cool. So, let's get started and hack some stuff. I'm just quickly gonna grab a drink and then we can start. Let's go. So, what do we know? Not much. We know that it's called Solana Mobile Stack. 15 hours ago they announced it. And the Saga will be their phone that they release. Introducing open source mobile stack for Android, enabling native Android Web 3 apps on Solana. Read more here. Solana mobile homepage. Download the mobile stack SDK. So that's what? Oh, I need to scroll down. Oh, that is. I mean, it's nice. A nice website. Yes. Yeah. This all seems like advertisement. I just want the docs. Get the SDK. Yeah, that's more where I live. Welcome to the Solana Mobile Stack. Mobile wallet adapter. Connecting apps to mobile devices. Providing secure key custody in wallet apps. Solana App Store. Yes, I mean, they definitely want to become the new Apple, right? Okay. So I don't know how much of that is actually already like usable and if I can already make an app. But hey, we're just gonna try it. That's the fun stuff. It came out yesterday. Today we built something on it. Or at least we try to. There's a Discord, let's join that. Inside this Git repo there's just the license and the readme though. Is there anything I can work with already? Ah, okay, so there are two more Git repos. One for the seed vault and for the mobile wallet adapter. So I think the mobile wallet adapter is what we're gonna want to use. There we go. Okay. Android and JavaScript reference implementations, a demo wallet and dApps for consumption by Solana mobile developers. Well, I'm one of those now, right? Just defined that I am, and now I am. Boom. Easy. That's how this works. There ain't no university degrees for that shit. I mean, I wish, otherwise I would like to teach them, but hey. Protocol specification, integration guide, to provide and to consume. Nice. Android Studio. I think I need to get Android Studio for that. Do I even have the storage space for that? Well, at least it will be in the newest version. Yes. That alone is a gigabyte. Okay, let's check. Wow, that is a great spec. This site didn't load correctly. It's just like that. That's literally it. See, like usually I would suggest people wait for, I don't know, a year until it's stable, but no. Ain't nobody got time for that. So that is all Android development. I recognize those terms, activity, scenario, callbacks. I recognize them from developing on Android. Yeah, and that, my dear, is Android. Yeah, let's get back to some mobile development. Why not? I used to be a big fan of Android development. Like I used to, like that's what I did in my free time in like my vacations, summer vacations. Okay, let's install Android Studio, should we? Installing. I mean, I would just try and run those things and see what happens, right? I'm just gonna clone this entire thing. Look at that. I can't do anything with that. What the hell? Great Android Studio, you fucker. Oh, I can click next. Right. Should we get some breakfast while that's installing? I'm not idling, my libraries are installing. I mean, I kind of want to watch that video. Such a deep job. Such a deep job. Developer devices are available before Lisbon. If I present something about mobile here, then talk to the guys, say I run a YouTube channel and I want to showcase this thing, maybe I can get my hands on such a $1,000 device. Back to being productive though. Finally, this thing has loaded. Only took 8 minutes to build. So we have the fake dApp and the fake wallet. Okay, let's see if I can connect my phone. Haven't done this in a while. Allow USB debugging. Allow. OnePlus. Let's go. It just sees it. How nice. That would just be plug and play. I would be so amazed. This is taking a while. Maybe I should get breakfast. Ah, build successful. Look at that. Look at that. It starts something. I'm a wallet. It's a fake wallet. Hold on. I kind of need you to see. That's what it is. A little difficult to set up. Well, hey, I'm a dev. Come on. I like to download stuff directly from GitHub. Yes, let's just download some stuff. Execute software that we just downloaded from the internet? Why not? Why not? Look at that. So we have this, and more importantly, we have this. Look at that. So, you see what I have on my phone now? I'm a wallet. It's a wallet. Okay, so we have the wallet. I don't know what it does, but we have it running. So let's do the same thing with the fake dApp and also execute that stuff. Oh, this is exciting. I love stuff to just work out of the box. And that wasn't difficult to set up at all. That was like so easy. Ah, build successful. Start activity for result is deprecated. But look at that. Look at that. I can do stuff. Where are those? There, the fake dApp. Authorize. Sign a transaction. I don't know really what that does. Maybe we should have a look here as well. Auth token invalid. I don't know what all of this stuff does. Even the okay, it doesn't do much, does it? Oh wait, I'm not showing you the screen anymore. It doesn't. Right, if I click around here, there was an error now. Too many payloads. Mobile wallet adapter WebSocket send. But then nothing arrives at my wallet, I think. Yeah, I think it's all like services just in the back. Signed transaction request was cancelled. I don't know what I'm doing or what that's doing. Let's read some code maybe. Why do we get a cancellation exception? I was just told that the lunch is ready. Okay, I will be back after lunch break, breakfast break for me, but can't say no to free food. I just can't. One lunch later. Let's see if the emulator. Also, I wanna. Then let's use, I don't know, a Pixel 2. 1.1 gigabyte. I only have 5 gig left. Fuck. Just at 16. Look, there we go. Alright. It's getting louder in the hacker house and fuller. And I now set up an emulator to not have to play with my phone all the time. And if I only have that application, the fake app installed, what happens is if I click here, connection attempt failed. So I need to also install the wallet, and then it opens the wallet. So the other thing we saw was the wallet. So now that we've also installed the wallet, yeah, see, that's just the home of the wallet. I mean, my phone is a lot more responsive. Now, if from here I go authorize, then it should now open the wallet. See, and that's now the wallet, right? That's the wallet app. And here I can say authorize. Here I can say authorize. And then it brings me back to my dApp where I'm now authorized and can sign transactions. And that again brings me to the wallet where I can simulate all sorts of stuff. Again, this is not very big, is it? I can simulate transaction failed, I can decline, or I can accept. And if I accept, it brings me back. And then the dApp can handle whatever it wants to handle. Fake dApp. So if I now sign, authorize, there you go. And we have an authorized result with a token, public key. Right, we just also simulate the wallet, which means we don't actually have a wallet, which means we don't actually send anything on chain. Is that correct? Because we don't really have a connection to. What is this? Really complicated topic is set up a transaction. Yeah, that's how you have to build a transaction. You have to use pure bytes. There's nothing native in Android. I just literally copy that onto the transaction. That's fine. I need a break. Welcome back. The fuck, I stopped Android Studio and it releases 5 gigabytes. I don't know what this thing does, really not. 4.2 gigabytes? You know what, let's get rid of that. That's better. We're gonna use our phone again. Okay, so I want to wrap this up. So I've been talking with some people from Solana Mobile Stack on the Discord, because they're all in LA right now. None of them who are in that project are here at this hacker house. And essentially, those two fake apps, they're just mocks, right? They're just showing how the implementation is supposed to work, or that draft, right? For now, it's just a draft. There, the specification, we're just in a draft. And those are just reference implementations. They don't allow you to actually interact with DevNet or testnet yet. That will all come, but this thing just shows the progress of how it's supposed to work then, right? So I click, for instance, on sign and send transaction. Yeah, no, that's not how it's supposed to work. Hold on. Maybe I need to start my wallet first. Then I do that. No. Deauthorize. So that starts my fake wallet, right? If I authorize, I hit authorize. That's done in the fake wallet app. And now I can sign a transaction, and this is just a mock. This is just a mock for the actual wallet. Like, that will be replaced by, for instance, Phantom Wallet or whatever mobile wallet you might want to have. So if I click authorize, then I can simulate this. This is a simulation. This is not an actual wallet. That commitment is achieved, and then it brings me back to the dApp that will then handle the signature. And for now, I just print it in the logs. There we see that I got a signature, but that is all fake. All fake. This is not real. Let's come back big screen. So it was fun to kind of play around with it, get it on my mobile phone, see that the one application opens the other application, and then I can sign on the wallet. You just have to imagine that later that's going to be your Phantom wallet that is going to be open, and you can actually sign that transaction, and it will actually get you back there to your debt with the signature. So that's really cool. Like, I'm excited about this, but I don't want to now spend my time working on this, as this is just a draft, and they will be doing so much more work and improving upon this before I want to get into it, right? Because I want to get into it when I can actually build an app that can then interact with the chain. So yeah, I want to keep this video short. Audio and video quality here also isn't that good. I just wanted to produce something during the Hacker House Barcelona. I prefer to now go hang out with people, network a bit, get to know people, see what interesting stuff is happening in the space, because with Solana Mobile Stack I can play around anytime, and it's gonna get more and more interesting, as all of that stuff does. So much happening in this space. It's amazing. If you're really into this and if you got excited by this little video here, you can go and check it out. Like, check out the code, check out how the mobile wallet adapter and the, what is the other thing, and the client library, how those work. Like, the wallet adapter is more interesting for, Phantom, and if you build a wallet. The client library, that's probably going to be the one that is interesting for you if you want to develop, and then the mobile wallets will have to implement the wallet. Essentially, the thing that you want to be looking at is in the depth there, those things. The client library, that's probably what you want to have a look at. The do authorize, and then how you sign a transaction. And for that, how you build a transaction, right? Like they do here. You have to do it all in bytes like this. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Like, if you look at the source code, you can learn a lot actually how transactions are built as well. So I certainly learned something when looking at this. I don't regret. It's not a failed project. It never is. It's always learning. That's the same feeling I have about Solana. Even if the chain fails and they will stop, at least we'll learn something. And I don't think that's gonna happen. But hey, can happen, never know. Where was I? Yeah, do sign transaction. Because with that client, you can say sign transaction. That is the cool thing that this SDK provides. Then you give the transactions, spacey, and the authentication token. And then you can get the result from here, working a bit with futures and semaphores. So that's computer science basics that I could teach you. Essentially, what's happening here, because this is working asynchronously. Okay, let's learn something. Let's at least learn something here. Okay, so we want to call this, right, sign transaction. But that's handled by another application, the wallet. So we need to wait for the wallet to be ready. So we can't just make a call, sign transaction, that immediately synchronously gives it back to us. No, we need to do that asynchronously and essentially let it do its thing. And so we let it do its thing, and we acquire a semaphore that, if the future here that comes back from this async notifies on complete, so if that is done, it will release the semaphore. So a semaphore is essentially similar to a mutex, but with counts. With 1 and 1, it is essentially a mutex. So if you know what a mutex is from C programming, if you did my classes at university, yeah, essentially this computer science 101 stuff, if you're working with several threads or processes. Here in our normal program flow, when we say acquire, this call will block until we get the semaphore. So until essentially this thing is called. So only when the future notifies, when that callback is called, can this acquire go through, and only then can we get the result from the future. So essentially, what all this semaphore stuff does is we wait for this asynchronous call to be done, and then we can get the result. And with the result, we can then, get whatever we want to get, the signed transactions and whatnot. So at least that little bit I wanted to teach you today. Here you go. Semaphores and mutexes. Parallel programming here for you. In horrible audio quality, I scream over the music and the other people talking. But yeah, point of all this being, this is the real cool stuff that the library provides. That's all inside here, the wallet adapter, the mobile wallet client, and that is what the SDK provides, right? So you can go have a look at the source code. It's pretty nice just having a look at it. If you want to develop mobile applications and you want to include wallets in the future, because we're not quite there yet, but in the future, right? Then you might want to look into that, or you wait until then, because that's when I'm gonna start making videos about it again, when it's actually already implemented in the wallets and the wallets support it. Because we're now very early stage. As I said, it was released yesterday. So yeah, if you have any questions, I can recommend the Discord. There's a Solana Mobile Discord that you can join. Discord GG/Solana Mobile. You can also join my Discord, but it's probably more helpful if you join the actual Discords with all the developers who know shit. They're quite active in here. So yeah, it's interesting. I'm gonna keep making videos about this as I do with everything, hopefully. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. You can check out those. They are more complete than this one, but I just wanted to let you know that this stuff exists, just in case you missed it, what SMS really is. Solana Mobile Stack. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.